Shemai! I'm going to take a look at this today, which is the Kala Nomad U-Bass. So I'm carrying on looking at the Kala Electro Acoustic U-Basses. Kala have been very kind to loan me these. They're not sending them as freebies or anything like that. They're all going back to them. So today I'm going to take a look at this. It's the Kala Nomad U-Bass, and it's what they describe as their economy U-Bass. So why do they call it their economy U-Bass? It's the cheapest in the range. Southern Ukulele Store sell it for £199 when it's on offer, but generally £215. World of Ukes sell it at £215. Toman sell it at £285, and you can get it direct from Kala in the US for $199. So what I want to find out is, does cheap mean bad? Okay, so it's quite a plain looking U-Bass. There's no bling, there's no binding or rosette or anything like that. It's not a bad looking U-Bass, just quite plain. It's got a laminate mahogany top, mahogany sides and a laminate mahogany back, but you have still got access for string changes. It's got a mahogany neck and mahogany headstock with a rosewood fingerboard and a rosewood bridge. It's got a nice traditional satin finish on it. Graphtec nut at 44-45mm or 1.75 inches, and a composite saddle with a piezo pickup underneath. It's got the U-Bass active EQ system on it with an inbuilt tuner as well, which is very handy, and it takes a 9-volt battery. It's got the custom black die-cast tuners on here, which work perfectly well. So yeah, you can start to see the economy price on it. It hasn't got the more expensive components on it, but everything it's got works perfectly well. Comes with one black strap button, hence why I'm using a headstock strap, but it's easy enough to fit another strap button onto the heel of the neck if you want to do that. And it's got 16 frets on here, scale length just under 21 inches for the scale and just under 30 inches for the overall length. This model comes with the Aquila Thunderblack Strings as well, the newer formula of them. And I should mention, it does come with a case with nice shoulder straps on it, little bit of padding on the case with a nice accessory pocket, and in there you'll find an Allen key because this bass does have a truss rod. So from what I can see, yes, it's the economy model, yes, it's the cheaper components and things, and yes, it is quite plain looking, but it plays really nicely, I'll show you in a minute, and the overall quality of it, I think, is absolutely great. So yeah, if you're looking just to buy a cheap U-Bass to start with, nothing wrong with this. Right, I'll pop the specs up onto the screen for you right now. Right, it's time to hear it now. Like with all of these reviews, they've been going through my Gensler head amp into my barefaced 110 cab, but I've tried to leave the settings on my amp alone, and I am not going through any pedals or anything like that either. Okay, so yeah, it is sounding lovely. Remember now, Thunderblack Strings. New basses, they do go out of tune, especially with the polyurethane strings when you first get them. No, it's just the top one. And of course, these are electro acoustic as well, so you can hear them if you're not plugged into an amp. Albeit quietly, but you've got to remember, turn the tuner off to get it to sound through the amp. They're really good consistency of volume. And these are the things, with it being slightly cheaper, I really wanted to make sure they were up to quality as well. So yeah, excellent volume off the pickups in terms of each string. There we have it, the cheapest U-Bass, the Kala Nomad. So it's plain to look at, but wow, it's lovely to play. It really, really is. You know, quality control, straight off. There's no sharp frets, and there haven't been sharp frets with any of these U-Basses. That's why I haven't mentioned it. But yeah, considering this is the economy bass, I think that plays really, really well, and I hope it sounds really good too. And don't forget, wear headphones when you're watching anything bass related so you can really hear what it sounds like. So under £200 and under $200, depending what part of the world you're in. Yeah, all right, it's not the prettiest to look at, but wow, it's lovely to play and it sounds really nice as well. So yeah, even though it is the cheapest of the Kala U-Basses, it is definitely worth the bucks. Or pounds, depending where you are. Pleasantly surprised with this bass. So again, a massive thank you to Kala for loaning me these instruments so I can have a bit of fun, go through them, enjoy playing them all and show them to you guys. And don't forget, it's Kala's 20th birthday this year. They've been around for a while, and it's U-Bass's 15th anniversary last year as well. But thank you, Kala. I hope you've enjoyed this video, maybe found it useful. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon site and I'll pop the link to that in the description below. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.